Hi, it's Natalie here with a quick question for you. Are you using journaling as a tool to improve your mental and physical health? Well, if you're not, did you know that you're missing out on a really effective tool for healing and self growth? Plus, it's a great alternative to meditation if you're not a fan of meditation. Well, today I'm going to share with you a few ways that you can use journaling during this quarantine to maximize your self growth and your abundance. But more of that in just a moment. First, I want to share with you the importance of journaling. You see, journaling is an antidepressant. Mental health is one of the highest priorities in the field of medicine. Now, with this tool, it'll be easier for you to identify what your triggers are for your depression. It will also be easier for you to think of ways on how to handle those triggers. Now, research suggests that jotting down even the smallest details is really helpful. And it's also good for people who want to relieve their anxiety levels by prioritizing their concerns. Having to share the journal with a caring expert can also really help. The second thing is that it clears your mind. So if you were affected by what's happening nowadays, you might want to try writing them down. Now you can write about national issues or personal problems. Now this allows you to transfer weight from your mind onto your paper. And in this way, you can think of something else or sleep it off after it's been emptied out of your mind. The third thing is it replaces negative energy with positive energy. So with journaling, you can separate your thoughts that make you comfortable and those that make you uncomfortable. Now, these thoughts may be from overthinking a problem, so you might want to undo that through writing. Sometimes being pessimistic about issues can also be one root of the cause. And number 4 is that it regulates oxygen flow. So if you find yourself speed or shallow breathing, it might be because of the stress buildup that you're feeling. Now, this activity will make your muscles tense, which shortens your breath. And when you hyperventilate, you may experience severe body reactions. Now, you can avoid this by writing all of your worries out on paper and negotiating with yourself on how to handle them. Now, this allows your mind to be at ease, leaving your breathing at a regular response rate. Number 5 is that it exercises your brain. So aside from getting your head cleared, journaling also exercises your brain. So if you tend to write every day, your creativity shifts. You feel easier to write every day, leaving you more time to think about your ideas for yourself. This also allows your mind and body to communicate with each other. The faster that you write in this process, the more creative juices that you will have. Your brain likes to be worked and teased. And when it does this, it's not going to be stressed and idle and overthinking about other things. So now that you know about the healing benefits of journaling, let's uncover how to open yourself to more abundance with it. So early in the morning, so this is before you check email or turn on the TV or scroll through Facebook, open your journal. Write 3 to 5 pages about what you appreciate the most. Now this gratitude list can include people, things, situations, encounters, and so on. It can be any topic that you like. They can be subtle, they can be major, they can be serious, or they can be fun. Now, if you can't fill 3 to 5 pages at first, aim to fill 1 page. Really feel the appreciation flow through you and notice as your energetic vibration is raised. Now, as Abraham Hicks says, every time you appreciate something, every time you praise something, every time you feel good about something, you are telling the universe, more of this, please. So you need never make another verbal statement of this intent, and if you are mostly in a state of appreciation, all good things will flow to you. Your gratitude list will set you up to feel great all day long and attract more of the things that you appreciate. A great way to connect with your spirit guides is through journaling. At the top of the page, write, "Thank you, guides in the highest truth and compassion, for writing with me. Thank you for revealing what I need to know." Now you can also request that your guides focus on a particular topic. For this, you'd write, "Thank you, guides of the highest truth and compassion, for writing with me. Thank you for revealing what I need to know about blank." Now, what I also recommend is that you meditate before journaling with your guides. Now, you may find that it's really helpful just to do a short meditation before you start writing with your spirit guides. Before meditating, call on your guides by saying a short prayer, such as, "Thank you, guides of the highest truth and compassion, for showing me what I need to know. Thank you for leading me in the right direction, and thank you for whatever it is that I need." Then listen to a journaling meditation or simply sit quietly for 10 minutes, paying attention to your breath and the sensations that you experience. Now, when you're journaling with your guides, you may find that your guides begin speaking to you directly. So instead of writing in the first person, you may begin writing in the second person. So in some cases, your handwriting might even change. You might feel a presence of energy moving through you. You might even feel heat in your body. And that means that there's a presence that's working through you to give you some kind of direction. So if you don't want your guides to write through you, you can be very clear in your requests that you want to write in your own voice. Now you can journal before bed and celebrate every manifestation. Before you go to bed, open your journal and take inventory of your day so that you can celebrate everything good in your life. Write down all of the wins that you had that day, even if they're minor, like being first in line at the bank. Celebrate your wins before you fall asleep. This is an especially awesome practice if you tend to lie in bed at night and worry. Journaling about your miracle moments will help you break free of that negative pattern and shift your focus into all that's going well. And make journaling a joyful practice. Commit to any or all of these tips and expect miracles. Remember that journaling is a spiritual and creative practice that will help you to keep your vibration high and open to more abundance. Now, before I go, I'd love to know, do you have any other tips on how to raise your vibration during the quarantine? If you do, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Mind Movies YouTube channel for more videos on the personal growth and the law of attraction. Again, my name is Natalie Ledwell. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.